Celandine House by 7th Hue Architecture Studio in MURINGUR VADAKKUMMURI, India. Nature is not what you see from a window or a box, it is something you live along with. The name Celandine represents a yellow flower and shares with itself a tropical vibe that brings in light to more livable spaces. Respecting the context and climate, Celandine profoundly serves its best as a coherent and adaptive architecture. Kerala is known for its tropical climate and green landscapes with heavy monsoons and humid summers throughout the year. The use of bricks, sloping roofs, and courtyards make residences adaptable to the climate. The overall theme of this space is modern organic, earth tones. Hymns of green and the color of the celandine flower have been used as the main color palette for the spaces, and the use of natural forms and materials contrasted with a mix of modern and clean lines, and so it proves to be the inspiration for the project. The residence comprises two faces oriented in different directions. The heads were oriented according to the visibility from the highway, giving an exemplary approach. It features both matte and glossy concrete finish with glass and wood combinations, along with sandwich panel roofing in 5 different natural tones arranged into stratified layers. The design revolves around the idea of leading the sun inside, with a skylight internal court allowing light to flood also through glass brick on the east side of the building. A sense of being surrounded by nature is produced by the seamless fusion of indoor and outdoor spaces. The living room is simply designed by connecting the space with a courtyard, making the feeling in amongst the greenery. The spaces make use of light and non-bulky furniture featuring clean and crisp use of lines. Ceiling and flooring for all spaces were. Textures of concrete are exhibited in the ceiling and flooring in polished finishes in contrast with natural wooden textures, giving a feeling of a rustic and elegant look. The courtyard is designed to be the lungs of the house, breathing in fresh outside air and letting out the inside air. Courtyard is east-facing, so that the entire space bathes in the warm morning sun filtered through glass bricks, the much-needed morning wake-up refreshment.